Hello all, welcome to our channel Learn to Infinity. This is Dr. DEEPALAKSHMI. So in previous video, we have seen number system, the introduction of number system, conversion of number system. So the basic number systems, binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. So we have seen the introduction of what is decimal systems and what are all the conversions we can make, that is binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. And from all number systems to all other number systems, we are seen in very vivid manner. So hope you would have understood. So as I told in previous video, though everyone knows to convert when it comes to the question paper or a question, they will be in a confusion manner whether to multiply or divide or to subtract. So to make it easier, I have formulated a table which is a one-time revision for all the conversion of number systems. So let's move on to this table. So these are the different types of number system we saw, right? Binary, octal, decimal, hexa. So binary to binary is not possible, octal, decimal to decimal, hexa to hexa is not possible, and all other conversions are possible, right? Okay. So when we are converting a binary number to octal number, okay, so what we need to do is split into 3 bits. Split into 3 bits, right? So if it is a whole number, we have to start from LSB, least significant bit. And if it is a fractional part, we have to start with MSB, that is most significant bit. Okay. Binary to decimal. So multiply by the base. So multiply by 2. Right? Then binary to hexadecimal. So what is the difference between octal and hexadecimal? For octal, we need to split into 3 bits, and for hexa, we need to split into 4 bits. So split into 4 bits. Right? So binary to all other conversion is over. Is it easy? So next is octal to other conversions. So what we need to convert an octal number to binary number. So each octal digit should be represented as a 3-bit binary number, right? So each digit in 3-bit form, right? So each digit should be represented in a 3-bit form. Next, octal to decimal. So when you see this, why I have formulated this table is, any number to decimal should be multiplied by the base. This will be more easier. So octal to decimal, it should be multiplied by 8. Right? Okay. So as I told you previously, if it is a whole number, start from the LSB. For a fractional part, start from the MSB. This is overall the same rule for all the conversions. Okay. Octal to hexadecimal. So this is not discussed in our previous things because we have seen it as a 2 individual part. Octal to hexadecimal or hexadecimal to octal cannot be done directly. So first step is we need to convert octal to binary. Octal should be converted to binary and then a binary number should be converted to an hexa, right? So we have seen how to convert an octal to binary and we know how to convert a binary to hexa, right? So we have to combine these two steps. So any octal number cannot be directly converted to an hexadecimal number. So we need to convert into binary number and then to an hexadecimal number. Fine. Now decimal to octal. So what we need to do is divide. So any number that is from binary number to any number system to the decimal number system should be multiplied by the base. And the decimal number system to any other number system should be divided by the base. So if you are remembering these two formulas, you can easily do whatever problems, right? So divide by the base. So what is the base for your binary number? It is 2. So divide by 2. The same way decimal to octal, divide by the base. What is the base for octal? 8. So divide by 8. Okay, decimal to hexadecimal, divide by the base, divide by 16. The base for hexadecimal number. Okay. So conversion from hexadecimal to binary number. So we know that each hexadecimal digit can be represented in a binary form by 4 bits. So each digit in 4-bit form. So that is the difference between an octal and hexadecimal. Here each digit is represented in 3-bit form, whereas in hexadecimal each digit is represented in 4-bit form, right? Okay. Now hexadecimal to octal. The same way as I told you, how an octal to hexadecimal cannot be done directly. Similarly, hexadecimal to octal cannot be done directly. So first we need to convert an hexadecimal number to binary number and then binary to octal. Okay, so hexa to binary and from binary to octal. We already know how to convert hexa to binary and binary to octal. So we are incorporating these two steps to convert a number from hexadecimal to octal number. Okay, now hexadecimal to decimal. So as I already told, any number system to the decimal number system multiplied by the base. So hexadecimal to the decimal number multiplied by the base, which is 16. And hexadecimal to hexadecimal is not possible. So the whole number system conversion is completed within the single table, right? So if you are confident in this table, you can do any type of problems, whether it is a fractional part or whole part or combined part, any problem can be done if you are confident in this table. So this number system is very clear to you, and the conversion of the number system, as I already told you, the number system conversion is in the school books, in the CBSE books, state board books, as well as in the college, even in PG, we have some semesters concentrating in this number system. So this will be overall useful for all the learners. So in our next video, we will be seeing another part, which is interesting part, which will be useful for all the learners. Till then, this is Dr. DEEPALAKSHMI signing off in Learning to Infinite YouTube channel. See you. Bye-bye.